We see a serene background with calming music playing in the background. Friendly feminine introduction sentence. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mindful growth for neural networks. We see a computer screen with a neural network diagram. Main story point 1. One tip for mastering mindful growth for neural networks is to focus on continuous learning. Just like our brains, neural networks thrive on new information and experiences. Make sure to regularly update your network with new data and training to keep it sharp and efficient. Main story point 2. Another trick is to practice patience and perseverance. Neural networks, like any growth process, take time to develop and improve. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep refining your network and trust in the process. We see a visualization of a neural network expanding and connecting. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, mastering mindful growth for neural networks is a journey, not a destination. Keep nurturing your network with care and attention, and you'll see amazing results in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!
Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the mind-blowing power of focus in 3D printing. When it comes to 3D printing, focus is key. By honing in on the details and intricacies of the design, you can create truly stunning and precise creations. This level of focus allows for the perfect calibration of the printer, ensuring that every layer is laid down with precision and accuracy. But it's not just about the technical aspects of the process. Focus also plays a crucial role in the creative side of 3D printing. By staying focused on your vision and design goals, you can push the boundaries of what is possible with this technology. So next time you fire up your 3D printer, remember the power of focus.
Hey there, friends! Are you ready to boost your confidence in virtual reality? Well, you've come to the right place. Here are 5 tips to help you build your confidence in VR. Firstly, remember to practice self-affirmations. Before entering a VR game or experience, take a moment to remind yourself of your strengths and capabilities. This positive mindset will help you tackle any challenges that come your way. Next, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Virtual reality is all about pushing boundaries and trying new things. Embrace the unknown and watch your confidence soar. In addition, surround yourself with a supportive VR community. Whether it's joining online forums or playing multiplayer games, connecting with others who share your passion for virtual reality can provide a valuable confidence boost. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more time you spend in VR, the more comfortable and confident you will become. So keep exploring and challenging yourself. So there you have it, 5 tips for building confidence in virtual reality. Now go out there and conquer the virtual world with confidence.